I'm Natalie from Top10.com. We're here to help make your decisions easier. Let's talk about HelloFresh.
Papa.
Folks looking for fresh, healthy, and responsibly sourced ingredients will appreciate HelloFresh's meal kits. Each nutritionally balanced meal comes with easy-to-follow recipe cards and all the ingredients you need to whip up a healthy and flavorful meal in roughly 35 minutes. There's plenty of meal varieties, and HelloFresh gives you lots of flexibility when placing your orders. HelloFresh has 23 new recipes each week on the Classic plan. There's also a veggie plan and a family plan if you've got kids or just want more meals. HelloFresh is not an exclusively organic meal delivery service. However, it does use fresh, sustainably sourced ingredients and even fosters a personal business relationship between farmers and suppliers. HelloFresh packs a lot of value into each meal kit delivery. Fresh and sustainably sourced ingredients are delivered to your doorstep along with easy-to-follow instructions for cooking up a storm. If you like the idea of fast, fresh, home-cooked meals, HelloFresh is a great option for you. I hope this video helped you decide whether HelloFresh is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.